Good afternoon. My name is Glen Bickford, Service Manager here at Goss International. I'd like to welcome everybody to another Goss webinar series. This is webinar number 5, and we will be going over the service department and the programs we offer. Who's who in the service department? We have qualified, trained mechanics and electricians to service your press room needs from one end to the other. Goss International has worked hard at developing a diverse field and technical support skill set. This diversification and cross-training has allowed Goss to cover a vast variety of equipment. Our combined technical knowledge base allows Goss to provide our customers with knowledgeable technicians to handle all your equipment needs in your press room. Service tools to better serve our customers. Someone once said you are only as good as your tools. I would like to go over what tools we use to better service our customers. Salesforce. Salesforce helps us better our communications between the customer and our team. We use it for leads, quoting, and real-time communication with our sales team. Salesforce helps us stay on top of our customers' needs. SAP is also a daily tool used by Goss. SAP allows us to quickly get to our customers' bill of materials, find documentation, and equipment lists to better serve our customers. SAP Concur. Concur simplifies travel expenses and invoice management for a total visibility and greater control. This allows us to have a quicker response when dealing with breakdowns. Also allows us to find the most economical way to book travel to help reduce costs to our customers. Engineering support. Our field service technicians have a fully staffed engineering department at their fingertips at all times. We also have both mechanical and electrical tech support team internally 24/7, 365 to help our technicians and our customers to resolve issues as quickly as possible. Breakdown escalation deployment. Goss has developed a internal program policy that is designed to quickly resolve customer breakdowns. It allows us to work efficiently between departments and utilize our resources. Upon receiving a call from our customers, if they are broke down, this starts the clock rolling on our escalation program. Hopefully, we can resolve the issue very quickly and move on. If not, we can immediately dispatch a field technician and have him deployed to your facility to work the issue. The Goss International Service Department Program Portfolio. We provide audits, inspections, preventive maintenance programs, calibration and inspection programs, operational efficiency analysis, which we refer to as a PIC crew, training. We provide a block of hours program. We also have tailored service programs and a remote support program. Remote support program. This is a program that allows our electrical technicians or mechanical technicians to dial in through VPN into your machine to quickly resolve problems, do an analyzation of your machines, and better support you. PIC crew. The program goal is to increase workflow efficiency and reduce waste. Our Goss trainers and engineers go in and improve the customer's setup, startup, and operational procedures. We work with best practices, data collection, and pre- and post-program data comparisons. Our hour block program is there for our customers. This program allows our customers to buy blocks of hours to help reduce costs for labor. These hours can be used for mechanical purposes, electrical, breakdowns, or engineering support. Please contact us if you have any questions or would like more information on this program. Goss is your total solutions provider. With over 130 years of experience, we provide enhancements, new and certified pre-owned equipment, press relocations, parts, and of course, service. If you have any questions regarding any of the programs discussed in this webinar, please contact us by email at info@gossinternational.com or call 1-800-323-1200 or visit us at www.gossinternational.com. Thank you so much for your time and have a pleasant day.